is a very good question which could be asked in any competitive exam like SAT. We'll understand a strategy to look into similar rectangles and find formula for golden ratio. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we have an excellent question which is relating to golden ratio. We'll also understand the concept and find the golden ratio with the help of this example. The rectangle ABCD is divided into a square and a smaller rectangle by segment PQ. So that's a rectangle ABCD divided by the segment PQ, which is parallel to the shorter sides. The smaller rectangle BCPQ is similar to the original rectangle ABCD. Find the ratio of AB over AD. This is also known as the golden ratio. I would like you to pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, to answer this question, we basically need to find the ratio of AB to AD, right? We are given that the bigger rectangle is similar to the smaller rectangle, right? So this is what we need to find, and we are given that ABCD is similar to the other rectangle, which is BCQP. So these two rectangles are similar. When the rectangles are similar, the sides will be proportional, and that can help you to find the ratio AB over AD. You are given 4 choices. One of them is definitely a right choice. Match your answer with the right choice. Perfect. So I hope that should not be very challenging. Pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Most of my students are doing extremely well. Some are right there on top of their class getting awards and scholarships, like Akshat.
After attending university. The winner of this year's Certificate of Achievement Schulich Leader Award is Anil Kumar.
Great. Our student Akshat gets highest marks and the most prestigious Schulich Leader Award. You can be there. Join our classes and excel. Now, since we need to find ratio AB or AD, let us assume that the length AB is 1 unit long. Or let us say, let me just give it a dimension. We'll say let AB be X unit long. And A to D be 1 unit long. So in that case, AB over AD is going to be X, correct? So basically, we need to find out what is X, correct? Now, we know these sides are equal. So you can write down a proportionality statement and then get the needful result. So what is AB over AD? So AB is basically a longer side. So longer side of the rectangle, right? So we have the ratio of longer side over the longer side of the other one, right? Correct? So we can write AB over AD as equal to the longer side of the similar rectangle PQBC is PQ, right? So it is PQ over the shorter side, which is QC. Or you can write PB, right? So that gives you the relation between the similar rectangles, right? Now substituting X for A to B, 1 for A to D, what is going to be QC? Well, QC is going to be, since this is also 1, right? So this is going to be X minus 1, correct? So now we have our equation, which is X over 1 is equal to PQ is also 1 and QC is X minus 1. Do you see that? So that is our relation. We can now cross multiply. We get X times X minus 1 equals to 1. And that gives you X squared minus X equals to 1. Bringing them together, we get X squared minus X minus 1 equal to 0. So basically, AB over AD is actually equal to X. So we need to find what X is from this particular quadratic equation. So now we can apply the quadratic formula, right? And once we apply the formula, we can get the value of X, right? So let's apply the quadratic formula. So we get X equals to minus B. Let me write down here. X equals to minus B plus minus square root B square minus 4AC over 2A, right? So that is the formula for general quadratic equation. In this case, B is minus 1, so it becomes 1 plus minus B square, which is 1, minus 4AC, 4 times minus 1, which gives me plus 1, over 2 times A, which is 2. So that gives you 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2, right? Now since X is greater than 0, it's a side, and therefore X is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Is that clear to you? Which is option C. So that is called the golden ratio. Now whenever you can divide a rectangle into 2 parts so that you get a square out of it, and the ratio is this, then it is a golden ratio, correct? So I hope with this, the concept of finding the golden ratio is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.